Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.94. Let's take a moment to examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 119.77% since we initially designated Nebius Group N.v as a buy candidate just 27 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.44% each day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 56.07% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 3.08% to 56.07%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 51.10%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 33.55% to 54.27% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $34.94 and $81.12. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Nebius Group N.v stock price on Monday, moving between $49.54 and $55.04. The Nebius Group N.v stock price gained 8.91% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, rising from $48.28 to $52.58. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it manages to continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 11.10%, with a low of $49.54 and a high of $55.04. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 36.25% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 14 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 33 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $55.04, while the lowest price was $14.09. Currently, the price is 4.47% or $2.46 below the 52-week high of $55.04, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Nebius Group, trading under the ticker NBIS, have experienced a remarkable surge recently, soaring over 100% since April and more than 40% in just the past week. This growth is largely attributed to its backing by NVIDIA, a key player in the artificial intelligence infrastructure space. As of June 9th, 2025, Nebius is capitalizing on the booming artificial intelligence market and reported a staggering 385% year-over-year revenue growth in the first quarter. Management forecasts a run rate revenue of between $750 million and $1 billion by year-end, alongside an expectation of positive adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization in the latter half of the year. The stock has gained significant attention as an emerging player in artificial intelligence infrastructure, a sector increasingly recognized for its growth potential. The recent bullish outlook from equity analysts has also attracted call traders, intensifying market interest. While the rapid appreciation of NBIS shares reflects strong investor confidence, concerns regarding its profitability and high capital expenditures remain on the horizon. In terms of short-term impact, this momentum could drive further investment as sentiment surrounding artificial intelligence stocks remains strong. However, in the long term, the company will need to address its profitability to sustain this growth trajectory. Success in these areas could solidify Nebius Group's position as a major player in the artificial intelligence landscape, enhancing its stock valuation and ensuring continued investor interest. Analysts have assigned Nebius Group N.v. stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. The Nebius Group N.v. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two metrics, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected around levels of $42.37 and $32.89. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and to date, the stock has risen by 162.11%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal found 43 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal identified 153 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal received 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal observed 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average, buy signal noted 34 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal detected 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $48.28 and $46.30. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Nebius Group N.v. finds support just below today's level at $48.28. If this support is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $46.30 and $39.82. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last trading day, the stock moved $5.50 between its high and low, representing an 11.10% change. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.67%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important measure reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, persistent negative P/E ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and heightened bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of July, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a consensus of negative $410,000. It is crucial to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. encounters its first support level at $48.28. If this support level holds, It could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $50.79, reflecting a decrease of 3.4%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Furthermore, a buy signal has been indicated by a pivot bottom identified 42 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v stock a good buy? Nebius Group N.v shows several positive signals and is currently within a robust upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable choice at this time, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we expect Nebius Group N.v to open lower by 193 cents and begin trading at $52.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.